96% of drivers are using WD-40 all wrong, or worse, not at all. Most people think it's just for a squeaky door hinge, but today I'm showing you how this blue and yellow can is a mechanic in a bottle that prevents the exact repairs shops charge thousands for every single day. One of these tricks can literally save your engine from a catastrophic teardown. Before you spend another dime at the dealership, listen up. Trick number 15, restore interior car shine instantly. We're kicking things off with a detailing secret that turns a work truck interior back into a showroom floor. Most people reach for expensive silicone sprays that just attract more dust, but if you've got sticky residue from old parking permits, hardened gum in the carpet, or that mysterious soda syrup gunk glued into your cup holders, WD-40 is your surgical tool. The WD stands for water displacement, but it's the aliphatic hydrocarbons, the solvents, that are the stars here. They break the chemical bond of adhesives and organic grime on a molecular level. Pro tip, never spray it directly on your dash. Lightly mist a clean microfiber, work the spot, and watch the grime melt. But here's the expert's secret. Always follow up with a quick wipe of mild soapy water. This removes the solvent film, leaving the surface surgically clean. Detailing shops hide a $150 deep clean fee behind tricks like this. You just did it for about 8 cents. It's also the ultimate eraser for scuff marks on door panels that have been there for years. Trick number 14, unstick frozen car keys fast. If your ignition feels crunchy or your door lock is fighting the key, don't force it. If you snap that key, you're looking at a $200 extraction and a new lock cylinder. Instead of calling a locksmith, understand why it's sticking. It's usually a cocktail of pocket lint, dried out factory grease, and microscopic metal shavings jamming the tumblers. Spray a tiny amount of WD-40 onto the key itself, not into the lock. Slide it in and out, working the tumblers like a professional. The penetrating formula dissolves the old hardened grease and floats the debris out. If it's still sticking after 3 tries, you've got a mechanical failure, but 80% of the time, this 2-second spray cancels a $150 locksmith house call. This is mandatory maintenance if you live near the ocean, where salt air turns lock internals into sandpaper. Trick number 13, make windshield chips less visible instantly. Let's be crystal clear, this isn't a structural repair. If you have a crack, get it fixed before it spiders. However, if you have a fresh star or bullseye chip right in your line of sight, WD-40 can be a lifesaver. Tiny chips catch the light because of the air trapped inside the glass fracture. By applying a drop of WD-40 to the chip, the light-refracting oil fills those microscopic voids, making the chip nearly invisible from the driver's seat. It's a temporary optical illusion that stops that annoying glint while you wait for your insurance appointment. While you're at it, use it to melt away bug splatter that's baked onto the glass. It works better than any $15 specialized cleaner. Have you ever had a tiny chip turn into a massive crack overnight? Tell me your windshield horror stories in the comments.
Trick number 12, hide light paint scratches instantly. Light surface scratches make even a luxury car look neglected. Before you drop $500 on professional paint correction, you need to understand what you're looking at. Most scratches are just abrasions in the clear coat. Mist some WD-40 onto a cloth and buff the scratch in a circular motion. The oils fill the micro grooves and match the light refraction of the surrounding paint. Now, is this permanent? No, it's a cosmetic fill. But for a quick touch-up before a car show, a photo shoot, or a private sale, it is unbeatable. Body shops love to charge for full panels when all you needed was a 30-second buff. For the best results, hit it with a quick coat of wax afterward to lock that invisible look in. It's a game changer for black cars, where every swirl mark looks like a scar. Trick number 11, revive worn wiper blades quickly. Squeaky, chattering wiper blades are more than annoying. They're a safety hazard. Before you drop $60 on a premium set of blades, try this mechanic's trick. Most of the time, wipers fail because the rubber has glazed over with road film and oxidized. Wipe the rubber edge with a cloth soaked in WD-40. You'll see a thick black layer of oxidation come right off. This restores the flexibility of the rubber so it can actually flip as it changes direction across your glass. It's like a spa treatment for your wipers. Auto parts stores want you to buy new ones every 6 months, but a 5-cent wipe down can easily double the life of your current set. Does your car have that one wiper that always streaks? Try this and let me know if it clears it up. Trick number 10. Freeze seized spark plugs without force. This is the one that saves your engine. A stuck spark plug is a ticking bomb. If you force it and strip the threads in the aluminum cylinder head, you're looking at a $2,000 head-off repair. The secret is chemical shock. Spray WD-40 around the base of the plugs while the engine is still slightly warm, then let it sit for 20 minutes. The heat helps the thin oil wick down into the threads. It dissolves the carbon and corrosion holding that plug captive. Mechanics know this trick. They just don't want you to know how easy it is to avoid a labor-intensive extraction fee. Just remember, keep the spray away from the ceramic top and blow the area out with compressed air before you actually pull the plug. Trick number 9. Make tire sidewalls look brand new. You've seen those tire shine products that turn brown and sticky after 3 days? That's because they're mostly cheap silicone. If you're prepping a car for sale or just want that deep, satin black look for a weekend cruise, WD-40 is a pro-tip cleaner. It cuts through baked-on brake dust and road tar that soap won't touch. Wipe the sidewalls with a soaked cloth to lift the grime and leave a rich, dark finish. The golden rule? Never, ever get this on the tread. You need friction to stop, and WD-40 is the enemy of friction. Keep it on the show side only. It's the fastest way to make a 5-year-old set of tires look like they just came off the rack. Trick number 8. Eliminate battery corrosion completely. Battery terminal corrosion is the silent killer of alternators and starters. That white, crusty powder is highly acidic and creates massive electrical resistance. Instead of buying a $15 specialty terminal spray, use what's in your hand. WD-40 dissolves that alkaline buildup on contact. After a quick cleaning with a wire brush, spray a light final coat over the terminals. This creates an airtight, moisture-proof barrier that stops oxygen from reacting with the lead terminals. It's essentially winter-proofing your electrical system. Do this twice a year, and you'll never deal with a click-click, no start on a freezing Monday morning. How many batteries have you replaced only to realize it was just a dirty connection?
Trick number 7. Restore foggy headlights in minutes. Cloudy headlights aren't just ugly, they cut your night vision by half. Shops will charge you $100 for a restoration kit that's mostly sandpaper and elbow grease. If you need a right-now fix for an inspection or a night drive, WD-40 is pure magic. The oils fill the microscopic pitting on the plastic lens, making it clear again instantly. Now, let's be real, the oxidation will return because the factory UV coating is gone, but if you're in a pinch, this restores your safety and your car's face in under a minute. If you want it to last, hit it with a UV protectant wax right after. The difference in the beam pattern on the road will shock you. Trick number 6. Protect door seals from freezing shut. There is nothing worse than being locked out of your own car because the rubber seals froze to the metal frame. When you yank that door open, you often tear the $200 weather stripping. Prevention is better than a repair. Before the first frost, wipe all your rubber seals, doors, trunk, and hood with a cloth dampened with WD-40. It displaces the moisture so ice can't form a bond. It also keeps the rubber supple, preventing the dry rot that leads to annoying wind noise and water leaks. It's a 5-minute job that saves a $300 seal replacement down the road. Trick number 5. Stop surface rust before it spreads. Rust is the cancer of the automotive world. If you see a small bubble or a brown spot on your wheel well, the clock is ticking. WD-40 is a powerful arrestor for early-stage surface rust. The formula penetrates the porous rust and creates a barrier against the one thing rust needs to grow: oxygen. By soaking the spot and scrubbing it with a stiff brush, you can often stop the spread long enough to get a proper paint touch-up. It's the difference between a $5 fix today and a $1,000 cut and welds job next summer. If you live in a salt belt state, this is your most important tool. Trick number 4. Quiet a squealing belt in seconds. That high-pitched screech when you start your car, that's usually a glazed serpentine belt. Before you pay a shop $150 to swap it out, use WD-40 as a diagnostic tool. With the engine running and your hands far away from moving parts, give the ribbed side of the belt a tiny puff. If the noise vanishes instantly, you've confirmed the belt is just dirty or glazed. If the noise stays, you've got a failing bearing in an alternator or a tensioner. You just did an $80 diagnostic for free. It's the ultimate way to know if a mechanic is being honest with you or trying to upsell an unnecessary repair.
Trick number 3, loosen stuck fuel doors without breaking them. Fuel doors and hood latches are out of sight, out of mind, until they seize at the gas station. Forcing a stuck fuel door can snap the plastic hinge or the cable, turning a fill-up into a $250 body shop visit. Every 6 months, hit the hinge and the locking pin with WD-40. It dissolves the road salt and grime that gravity pulls into those crevices. It ensures that when you pull that lever inside the cabin, the door actually pops. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your car's basic functions won't fail you when you're 100 miles from home. Trick number 2, fix sticky seatbelt retractors instantly. This is a major safety issue that most people ignore. If your seatbelt is lazy and doesn't pull back tight against your chest, it won't lock correctly in an accident. Fully extend the belt and wipe the webbing with a cloth lightly misted with WD-40. Most stickiness is actually caused by years of skin oils and dust creating friction as the belt slides through the D-ring on the pillar. This cleans and lubricates the fabric so it zips back like new. A new retractor assembly can cost $300. This fix is practically free. Just don't soak it. A light wipe is all it takes to restore your safety. Trick number 1, prevent brake rotor rust after washing. Finally, the most controversial but brilliant hack. Have you ever washed your car, let it sit, and noticed that orange rust film on the rotors? That rust can cause brake pulsation if it builds up. While you should never spray the friction surface where the pads bite, you should spray the hat, the center part, and the outer edges of the rotor. This prevents that ugly, flaky rust from forming on the non-contact areas. It keeps your wheels looking professional and prevents the rot that makes rotors stick to the hub during a brake job. It's the mark of a true automotive expert who cares about the details. If these mechanic secrets helped you save a few $100 today, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're all about making you the expert of your own garage. Check out our next video. It's going to change the way you look at your engine oil forever. See you there.